Hello everybody, this is Avni Goel and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a very interesting maths riddle or a puzzle you could call it. So let's go in and see where this takes us. Right? So I'm going to be telling you the riddle in the form of pictures and this is how it goes. While visiting a small town in US, I lost my overcoat in a bus. Now when I telephoned the bus company informing them about this, they asked me for the number of the bus. Now though I did not remember the number of the bus, I remembered one thing. The bus number had something special or peculiar about it. Now what was that? The bus number formed a perfect square number. Now we all know what a square number is. And when the bus number was turned upside down, it still formed a perfect square. And with the help of the bus company, I was able to get to know that there are only 500 buses in that bus company which are numbered from 1 to 500. Right? With the help of all of these clues, I was able to find out what the bus number was. And that's exactly what we are going to be doing today. We are going to find out what the bus number was. Now let's start solving, and for our convenience, here in the side I have listed all the important clues that we need. The bus number was a perfect square. When turned upside down, it still formed a perfect square, and there are only 500 buses. Right? Now, by experiment, we can find out that the only numbers when turned upside down and can be still read as numbers are 0, 1, 6, 9 and 8. Right? These are the only numbers when turned upside down can still be read as numbers. Now we also know that 0, 1 and 8 when turned upside down remain 0, 1 and 8 only, while 9 and 6 when turned upside down change. 9 turns into 6 and 6 turns into 9. So keeping this in mind, let's start solving. Now let's ignore this part for now, these two clues, and focusing on the others. The only numbers between 1 to 500 that form perfect squares are 9, 16, 81, 100, 169 or 196. So these are the only numbers that can possibly fit into this clue. Now keeping this clue in mind, when these numbers turned upside down form something different. Right? So I'm going to show you. 169 turns into 961. Right? So we're going to be doing some cancellation here, and we'll start from the smallest number. Now 9 that turned into 6. 6 is not a perfect square, but our clue says us that the bus number when turned upside down forms a perfect square. So it will be safe to cancel out 6. The same applies for 16 that when turned upside down forms 91. Same as with 18 or 81. 100 when turned upside down forms 1, and 1 is not eligible because it is not a square either. The same applies for 691 because 169 is a square while 691 isn't. So we can cancel out 691 also. Now 196 is a square, and when turned upside down it forms 961. That is also a square because 961 is the perfect square of 31. So we can safely assume that the bus number was 196. because it fits all the clues that we have. It is between 1 to 500. It forms a perfect square, and when turned upside down, it still remains a perfect square. So we've solved this riddle, and with that we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Comment down below for any thoughts, ideas or suggestions that you have, or you would like me to know anything, or if I went wrong somewhere. And see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and goodbye.